I'm Anne, I'm from Glass Manifesto, and I'm a glass maker, but today we're going to be making some colorful beads using colored glass and fire. And this is what we're going to be doing tomorrow at the big day of science here at QVMAG. So, in order to make a bead, we've got to heat up glass in the flame and wrap it around a mandrel. This is a mandrel. This is a stainless steel piece of rod, and it's been dipped in a special kind of clay. And this is going to be making the hole for the bead. I'm going to be lighting the torch. I have to be careful because the flame comes up this way, and I'm going to put the lighter in my pocket. And it's pretty noisy, so don't be scared. Rawr! We love a bit of flame. I'll just turn it down a bit so you can hear me. Now, glass is very shocky, so I've got to waft it through the flame to heat it up slowly. And what I'm doing here is I'm just pre-warming that. So the reason why I'm heating it up slowly is so that little chips don't fly off. Look at that, it's like a meteor. That's over 2,000 degrees centigrade hot, and glass moves at 540, and then it gets hotter and hotter and hotter. Now I'm letting it ball up because gravity and surface tension move glass around. Now, I drop it on and I wind it away from me. So the glass is in the flame, but the bead is out of the flame, and I'm turning the mandrel so it's winding on. And this means eventually my fingers are getting closer to the flame. But it's not too hot. That should be enough. Now, piccolo fingers, just to round it off. And then we're going to put some spots on this bead, and I think a pale blue bead with dark blue spots would be gorgeous. So I'm heating up only the nose, and what I do is I then kiss and off, and kiss and off, kiss and off, and kiss. But I can go all over the place too. Look at that. It's like chewing gum. And I can leave it all spiky like this, or I can melt it in. And see those piccolo fingers? They're letting me turn the bead without stopping. And then I can cool it off with beautiful pink color, cooling down. And then I can show you the bead. Look at that. It's like spots, spots on spots, spots stuck together. And then we've got to cool it down very slowly in the vermiculite, which is just potting vermiculite. Tuck it into bed. In about 3 minutes, it'll be ready for us to take off the mandrel. And that's how we make a bead. So you'd be welcome to come tomorrow, have a look, and sometimes I get people from the audience who can come and make a bead with me too. See you then.